8 of the additional 9 additional skiers have been located deceased. We are still looking for one of the members at this time.
Yeah, just devastating news. The Nevada County Sheriff's Office confirming 8 people are dead and 1 skier is still missing following yesterday's avalanche in Nevada County, making it the deadliest avalanche in California history. Happened at Castle Peak, just north of I-80 near Boreal Mountain Resort in Soda Springs area. Specifically, the slide happened northwest of Frog Lake around 11:30 yesterday morning. The north-facing aspect of Perry Peak near Frog Lake and Castle Peak. The elevation there is just about 8,200 feet. It's not clear what exactly triggered that slide. Boreal is now being used as the staging area for that rescue operation. Now here's a live look at radar showing another round of heavy winter storms in the Sierra, making search efforts that much more difficult. Good afternoon, I'm Brady Halbleib, and thank you for joining us here at noon. Interstate 80 and Highway 50 are still both seeing closures right now due to those wintry conditions. First Alert meteorologist Ashley Namfrey is tracking current conditions as search efforts continue, and your reporter Connor McGill is at Boreal, where those operations are based. But let's start with your reporter Esteban Reynoso with the devastating news that we've just learned about some of the missing skiers.
Yeah, Brady, this was a really tough and really grim update here. We're now learning that of the 9 missing skiers, 8 have been pronounced dead. 1 is still missing, but is presumed dead here after this deadly avalanche that hit Castle Peak. We now are calling this the deadliest avalanche in California history. And here at the Nevada County Sheriff's Office, this is where they gave the update. It was almost an hour long here, this press conference, where we were able to dissect and talk a little bit about what efforts went into this recovery. It's been about, it was supposed to be a 3-day trip with a Tuesday return for these 15 skiers that went on this trip, this mountain guide trip through Blackbird Mountain Guides. Now we do know that of the 15 skiers, that 6 were able to be rescued, 2 of them with injuries. Now we know that of the 9 skiers, that 7 are female, 2 of the others are men, and we're still trying to learn more about their ages, exactly where they came from, and exactly the route that they took through this back mountain here. But that avalanche really causing a deadly situation here and a deadly scene, and the weather also bringing a huge challenge to recovery and rescue efforts here. Listen to the sheriff on what she had to say.
Extreme weather conditions, I would say, is an understatement. Lots of snow, gale force winds, making it impossible to see. So it was very much a slow and steady pace, going with snowcats, skiers, going up into the area, which is still considered a very high danger for avalanche.
Still considered a very high level of avalanche risk because of this constant storm that we're getting. Now we know of the 6 that were rescued, 1 was a Blackbird guide and 5 were clients. Now what they've done is rescue crews or recovery crews have gone out there and put avalanche poles at the location of where those bodies are, so that if at all there is more avalanche, they can go back and recover. But right now, as you see on your screen, the snow still pelting us here, and it's going to continue this way, especially tonight. So they're kind of waiting until things calm down to be able to continue this grimly recovery mission. Guys.
Yeah, it's still such a dangerous situation up there. We have to wait for the storm to actually pass for them to actually get back up there. All right, Esteban, thank you very much.